Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, The English Castle. In today's video, we are going to learn about idioms. हम आज के इस वीडियो में idioms के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और समझेंगे कि हम अपनी vocabulary को enhance कैसे करें idioms के use से. तो idioms हमें writing skills में, speaking skills में बहुत help करते हैं अपने expressions को बताने के लिए. So let's learn few idioms about happiness. So if I have to say I am happy, so I can say I'm on cloud 9. So today I got an excellent job offer and the monthly package is 5 lakh rupees. I'm on cloud 9 because I got an extraordinary job offer and I'm delighted to share this news with you. And do you know the package is 5 lakhs? If I am going out with friends and I can tell my parents when I'm back, I had a whale of time with my friends after such a long time. इतने दिन के बाद मुझे इतना मजा आया अपने friends के साथ. I had a whale of time. Make someone's day. When somebody shares some good news with you, or when someone calls you, or when somebody compliments you for a dress, you can say, oh, you made my day. Oh, that was so sweet of you. You made my day. Or when somebody calls you and say, oh, you made my day. That's a way of expressing happiness. Walk on air to feel extremely happy. Tickled pink. Again, this also says, I'm extremely happy. I was tickled pink to see her picture. I was tickled pink when my children told me that they are doing well in their exams. On top of the world. When my student told me she scored 85%, I was on top of the world. To be proud of or to be extremely happy of. So yes, at this age, when my children do well, when my students do well, excel in their exams, excel in their careers, that makes me extremely happy. So I'm on top of the world to get such news. Over the moon. When my daughter gave me a surprise, I was over the moon. I was over the moon to know that we are buying a new car. So here I can use it differently. In the seventh heaven, again, I can use it with over the moon, on cloud 9, extremely happy. So these are the few idioms today we have learned about. Wait for some more extremely exciting videos and great vocabulary. If you want to enroll for our classes, you can contact us through email. You can message us. We also take online and offline classes. So if you're interested, do get in touch with us for the online or offline classes. And we cater to all the age groups from age 5 to any number. So if you are a school student, we will train you to speak for your school assemblies. We will train you for the creative writing, speaking skills, TED talks. And if you are a working professional, we will train you to how to give presentations, we will tell you more about soft skills. And if you are a working woman, a housewife, or you are at any age who wants to enhance your speaking skills in English, do contact us and let us know how we can help you. We will be glad to do it. Thank you, everyone. See you next. See you soon.